Hello and a very warm welcome each one of you. Thank you Vidya Rani and Madhulika for joining in. We are reading the book Eat That Frog, and yesterday we read chapter number 1. Basically it was, so this book is about 21 ways to beat your procrastination, and yesterday we read one of these ways, that was set the table, wherein we had set a goal for ourselves and we were thinking about the actions that we need to take to achieve those goals. Today we are on day 2 that talks about second great way to stop procrastination, and that is plan every day in advance. So when you think of planning your day in advance, what is it that comes to your mind? We will read what does Brian Tracy has to teach us on this, but before we go there as to what talking about, let's reflect कि हम लोगों को क्या लगता है, what do we think कि it is about? When I think of planning every day in advance, it is for me like before I go to sleep, I have a habit of writing down what do I need to do tomorrow, and also I look in for what is it that I need to do better tomorrow, so that whatever I have achieved today, how can I make it even better? So that is how I plan my everyday in advance. Would you like to share your perspective on this, Vidya?
Yes, Karishma. What I feel is planning for a day in advance is something which would give us a clear idea and know about managing time and the task that I will be completing.
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you. So when we plan in advance for the next day, what happens is we will not have to know sit and think about what I need to do and what not. So if I plan in advance, I'll have a time slot and a task that I'll be completing, and also the place where I'll be completing. So in that way, I'll be more organized and no, I'll not be wasting time in no thinking what needs to be done and what not. So
Absolutely.
yeah, that is what I feel. No, planning in advance means.
And it is going to save a lot of time for us as well. Very rightly said. Because
Yeah,
once we know before going to sleep that this is what I need to achieve tomorrow, we set an intention and we wake up with that intention that we have to be, doing that way. So, these are the tasks that I need to do. And
correct.
in the introduction, we also read wherein Brian Tracy has suggested whichever task you see and find is the most difficult and the ugliest task, do that
That should be to do the
first
first.
thing in the morning.
Yeah.
बिकॉज इट सेड कि अगर करेले का जूस अगर पहले पहले सुबह सुबह पी लोगे, उसके बाद जो मर्जी भी पी लोगे और खा लोगे ना, घिया भी खाओ तोरी भी खाओ, यू विल फील कि अरे इट इज इजियर.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's hear it from Madhunika. Madhunika, what is your perspective on this?
I'm sorry I missed it, Karishma. Perspective on what?
Plan every day in advance. What does that mean to you?
Plan every day in advance. If you're not planning, that means you are planning to fail.
Wow.
So it's better to plan. It's must to plan. And it should be planned. If you
Wow.
want to achieve something, it has to be planned. Otherwise, तो जहाँ green light है, वहां तो हम वहां मुड़ जाओ. That will never take you to your goal. Only if you'll plan, you'll take the Google map, you'll navigate proper whether whatever it is. आप अगर एक रास्ते पे जैम है, you will find the alternate way, but you have to plan. ऐसा हम नहीं कर सकते घर से निकले, अच्छा ये वाली सड़क खा ली है, यहाँ मुड़ गए, अच्छा वो वाला खा लिया, वहां मुड़ गए. That way you can never reach your goal. So that is what
Wow.
planning is.
Very beautifully said. And this makes me, think about how goals is a goal. Having a goal is also so very important क्योंकि goal होगा तो you will know ना कि मेरे को इसी direction में जाना है. And then उसके पीछे से आता है कि planning every day in advance so that you know you are moving towards the goal rather than debating इधर भी चलती हूँ आज इधर चल लेती हूँ पर मैं कहीं पहुंच क्यों नहीं रही हूँ.
Correct.
Wonderful. Thank you, Madhulika.
Thank you.
Let's see what does Brian Tracy has to share. Plan every day in advance. Planning is bringing the future into the present so you can do something about it now. You have heard the old question, how do you eat an elephant? Answer, one bite at a time. How do you eat your biggest, ugliest frog? The same way. You break it down into specific step-by-step activities and then you start on the first one. Your mind, your ability to think, plan, and decide is your most powerful tool for overcoming procrastination and increasing your productivity. Your ability to set your goals, make plans, and take action on them determines the course of your life. The very act of thinking and planning unlocks your mental powers, triggers your creativity, and increases your mental and physical energies. Conversely, as Alec McKenzie wrote, action without planning is the cause of every failure. That is what Madhulika, started her perception with. Thank you. Your ability to make good plans before you begin is a measure of your overall competence. The better the plan you have, the easier it is for you to overcome procrastination, to get started, to eat your frog, and then to keep going. Increase your return on energy. One of your top goals at work should be to get the highest possible return on your investment of your mental, emotional, and physical energy. The good news is that every minute spent in planning saves as many as 10 minutes in execution. That's what Vidyarani shared with us, right? It only takes about 10 to 12 minutes for you to plan out your day. But this small investment of time will save you at least 2 hours in wasted time and diffuse effort throughout the day. You may have heard of the 6P formula. It says proper prior planning prevents poor performance. Proper prior planning prevents poor performance. When you consider how helpful planning can be in increasing your productivity and performance, it is amazing how few people practice it every single day. And planning in reality, quite simple too. It is quite simple to do. All you need is a piece of paper and a pen. The most sophisticated Palm Pilot computer program or time planner is based on the same principle. It is based on your sitting down and making a list of everything you have to do before you begin, right? Hello, Vikas. Thank you for joining in.
Thanks.
2 extra hours per day. Always work from a list. When something new comes up, add it to the list before you do it. You can increase your productivity and output by 25% or more by about 2 hours from the first day that you begin working consistently from your list. So if you have something to add on to the list, keep adding it onto the list. उससे 2 फायदे होने वाले हैं. First of all, you will know how much you have accomplished. And that gives you a, win-win situation देता है. You get happy when you celebrate. Oh, wow, I have achieved so much. And then you never forget. Second is, you never forget कि this was also pending. Make your list the night before for the work day ahead. Move everything that you have not yet accomplished onto your list for the coming day. and then add everything that you have to do the next day. When you make out your list the evening or the night before, your subconscious mind works on your list all night long while you sleep. And that's why when you wake up early morning next day, early morning kya, whenever you wake up, you have it in your mind and you have an intention that this is what I need to achieve today. Often, you will wake up with the great ideas and insights that you can use to put your job done faster and better than you had initially thought. The more time you take to make written lists of everything you have to do in advance, the more effective and efficient you will be. Different lists for different purposes. There are different lists that you need for different purposes. First, you should create a master list on which you write down everything you think of that you want to do sometime in the future. This is the place where you capture every idea that comes to or every new task or responsibility that comes up. You can then sort out the items later. So, would you like to make this master list right now? Shall we do it? Let's take 2 minutes very quickly. Let's take 2 minutes and make this master list for ourselves as well. एंड इस मास्टर लिस्ट में हमारे को सारे काम, जो कोई काम भी हमारे को याद आते हैं, आई थिंक वी नीड टू पुट ऑल ऑफ देम आउट हियर. Are we done?
Yes.
Second, you should have a monthly list that you make up at the end of the month for the month ahead. This may contain items transferred from your master list. Okay. Then third is you should have a weekly list where you plan your entire week in advance. This is a list that is under construction as you go through the current week. So I'll show you, this is the tracker that I keep using. And इसके अंदर I keep cutting कि मेरा क्या हो गया क्या नहीं हुआ. This is a weekly planner. I keep writing ये Monday का, ये Tuesday का, ये Wednesday का. जो नहीं हुआ that I रेड पेन से आगे आगे शिफ्ट करती रहती हूँ कि towards the end of the week जो नहीं हुआ Saturday and Sunday normally I keep little less of the work so that उसको Saturday and Sunday पे जो भी pending है I complete that. That is how I do it. तो और उसके साथ साथ ही मेरी आगे की लिस्ट भी बनती जाती है कि नेक्स्ट वीक दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई नीड टू डू सो दैट you are moving towards the goal.
Yeah.
रुको जा रहा है. Okay. Third, you should have weekly list. This discipline of systematic time planning can be very helpful to you. Many people have told me that the habit of taking a couple of hours at the end of each week to plan the coming week has increased their productivity dramatically and changed their lives completely. This technique will work for you as well. Finally, you transfer items from your monthly and weekly lists onto your daily list. जो हमने मंथली एंड वीकली लिस्ट ली है उसको उसमें से ही कुछ कुछ काम हम हर रोज की लिस्ट में डाल देंगे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई पुट कि मेरे को 4 कराउजल्स डालने हैं, 4 रील्स डालनी है, 4 इंस्टा सिंगल पोस्ट डालने हैं, 4 इंस्टा कोलैब्स करने हैं, तो वो मैं 4 करने हैं आई नो एंड वी हैव 4 वीक्स इन अ मंथ. तो आई पुट इट हर हफ्ते में मेरे को इस दिन ये करना है, इस दिन ये करना है, इस दिन ये करना है, तो वो मेरा ऑलमोस्ट पूरे मंथ का वीकली प्लानर ऑलरेडी रेडी हो जाता है उससे. As you work through the day, tick off the items on the list as you complete them. This activity gives you a visual picture of accomplishment. It generates a feeling of success and forward motion. Seeing yourself working progressively through your list motivates and energizes you. It raises your self-esteem and self-respect. Steady, visible progress propels you forward and helps you to overcome procrastination. Anybody has any shares? Are you using this kind of a technique? What is it that would you like to share anything on this? Let's start with Vidya Rani.
Yes, I do have a planner, daily, weekly, monthly planner, which I use. And yes, I could actually see that initially I used to do it on and off. I used to no not so not I used not I used to not I mean I used to be not so active on that. But then no, when I was consistently doing it, I could actually have a clear idea about what I have achieved and what I could not, and also for what reason I could not achieve was also I was able to make out. So yeah, that way we also can build success habits. Yeah, so it helps a lot, is what I have realized.
Wow.
Yeah. Earlier, like I said, I used to do it on and off, but then now I am being consistent, and it really works. It does wonders.
Are you still procrastinating on something that is still pending on your list?
Health.
So can we make sure that we put that into our agenda as well?
Correct. I will. I have actually added. I have made a vision board wherein health is also, the area where I need to focus on.
Wow, amazing. Madhulika, let's hear it from you, dear.
Yeah. So right now I'm not using any such techniques or anything. Whatever comes my way, I'm just doing it seriously. And I'm feeling that, yes, it's it is a lot of haphazardly it is happening. But yeah, I'm moving little forward, but with a good plan, with a structured plan, for sure, I can move ahead much better, and it gives you a sense of accomplishment. Yeah. And while reading this, I have read this book earlier also, Karishma. I've read this earlier also, but this time when I've read this with you and you asked this thing and we are talking about this, I came to know, isn't it the same way that the curriculum is designed for the entire year, for any grade, any class, entire year curriculum is designed, then it is divided into, before half yearly, quarterly, right? And then monthly and then weekly day planning, the teachers plan their day. So it is the same way. Yeah. And small steps will take you forward for sure. For everything, the start is the first step, the small steps.
And then that also does not ever overwhelm you. अगर मेरे को पता है कि चार रील्स करनी है, चार ये करनी है, तो दैट इज लाइक, ओ यार मैं कैसे करूंगी, बट व्हेन आई नो आज तो मेरे को सिर्फ एक पोस्ट बनाना है, आज तो मेरे को सिर्फ एक कराउजल बनाना है, मेरा वो चार का एम भी पूरा हो गया. एंड देन देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग दैट आई नीड टू डू, दैट इज आल्सो सो सैटिस्फैक्शन. अरे छोटा सा तो काम है, जल्दी कर, खत्म कर. राइट.
Right.
लेट्स हियर
Otherwise, it just keep on piling on, piling on. Like since when I am thinking about this, that yes, yeah, now I'm a bit active on my LinkedIn. I'm quite, posting, I'm creating posts and everything. But I'm laid back in making reels. I don't know what is stopping me. I have the content ready for the reel also, that on what I have to do, everything is ready. But then I don't know what is stopping me, why I'm not doing it. Yes, this is a good way, Karishma. Thanks a lot for showing me the way. You are the guiding light over here for me.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. It's the book and the magic of the book. Vikas, let's hear it from you.
बुक तो करिश्मा यहाँ पड़ी हुई थी, बहुत टाइम से पड़ी हुई थी. इट्स नॉट द मैजिक ऑफ बुक. अगर नशा शराब में होता तो बोतल ना झूमती.
वाह, क्या बात, क्या बात.
नहीं. तो किताब में कुछ नहीं है.
Yes, that is why I say keep on telling everybody, come, attend, experience, and then you will realize what you are missing here.
नहीं, और हो सकता था कि अगर मैं ये बुक अपने आप भी पढ़ती तो इस पॉइंट को मैं बस रीड कर लेती. टू गोइंग इनटू डेप्थ एंड टेकिंग आउट समथिंग आउट ऑफ दैट वैल्यूएबल एंड देन inculcating in your life, that is the most important thing.
Yes. And that is exactly what the intention of this book reading club is.
Right. So नशा किताब में नहीं, ज्ञान किताब में नहीं, यहाँ था करिश्मा.
Thank you. Let's hear it from Vikas.
Thanks Madhulika, Vidyarani, Karishma for sharing all these things. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, a teacher never teaches, it is a student who learns. So and you will learn at the exact time that you need to learn.
Yes.
Right. So Madhulika, your time has come. That's why it resonated with you, and you connected with Karishma, and you are in the book club, right? So make use of the opportunity that God has given you indirectly to come up for this book club and picking up this book, talking about this topic, reflecting on this topic. Now it's the time for you to take action.
Because everything happens by chance, na? By
Yes.
chance to kuch ho hi nahi raha.
Yes. So it is ordained according to God's plan. Yes. So I will tell you the psychology why we do not plan. I think in my mind, I already know what I have to do. Right? I have fair enough idea of what we need. Why waste my time to write it down? Why waste my time to write it down? But if you are not planning for success, you are planning for failure.
Yes, that's what Madhulika started her perspective with this line only. If you're not planning
Yes.
for success,
So-
you're planning for failure.
So if you remember, even in the operation theater, you have a checklist. And even though a doctor might have performed the surgery numerous times, he goes through the list one by one and ticks it off every time he does the operation. If you remember the practical session that we did in MMI, he described the detailed step-by-step procedure that we need to follow in order to avoid any accident and any safety issues, right? So exactly the same thing needs to be done. We think we know it, and sometimes it accumulates. See, I know what I need to do. Suppose I have fairly enough and clear idea of what I need to do today. Again, next day some other activity will come up. Again, I will pile up my file in the mental cabinet. So sometimes it overwhelms us because there are so many things file which are open that it hangs, which we call overwhelm. So it's always better to write it down and prepare the plan and pre-plan and prepare the checklist in advance. Like if for the subsequent month, you should plan one day in month in at the month end prior to it. Similarly, if you need to plan for the next day, I will sit with myself and plan for in this evening. So this is called priming. You have set yourself in motion even before you have actually taken the action. Mind is activated, right? So this is very important. And another thing that I wanted to share with you all is sometimes we jump into action immediately. We jump into. I had shared one fill in the blanks in one of my groups that the math goal setting method. That after goal setting, what are the activities that need to be followed up immediately? And most of the people have uh, forgotten to did not pay attention to planning. They everyone talked about action, 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 and planning was the one thing that everyone missed. So at the subconscious level, we do not give importance to the planning, right? So most of us know even that we should plan, but we do not implement it. Like Madhulika and Vidyarani were saying. So what the method that I use and which helps me a lot is I club seemingly to unrelated un, unrelated activities together. For example, suppose I have to spend time with my wife. This is one thing on my list. And I have to do work also. These are two seemingly different activities. Now what I will do is I will plan the two activities together. I will work with my wife so that I can talk to my wife, I can spend quality time with her also, and I can do my work. So this way you can judiciously mix the two activities so that the time crunch that you may face because of so much pressures and deadlines and all, you may easily get over it very conveniently, right? And take one day at a time. Like Karisma, what I liked about her method is she lets some space and on Saturdays and Sunday available. Means her Saturdays and Sundays are relatively not much hard pressed, not much so much activities into it. So whatever slippage she has during the entire week, she can cover it up very easily during those Saturdays and Sundays, right? So it will help you to avoid procrastination. It will help you to avoid overwhelm, and it will help you to take planned action so that you move step by step and inch closer to your goal, and you will see yourself moving forward. See, when you make the tracker and we check it off the list, so you can see the physical evidence of the progress, and this motivates you that this book talks about. Every time you check off the list, yes, I have moved forward. I have done this. I have done this. So the sense of accomplishment, the sense of visible progress that you see makes you move forward in a, and motivates you to take action. That's it. It keeps the momentum to continue. Right? Okay.
Wow. Thank you, Vikas, for your elaborated explanation and massive value that you have shared with us. Let's go ahead with planning a project. हर किसी के पास plans है, projects है, project को plan कैसे करते हैं? Let's understand. When you have a project of any kind, begin by making a list of every step that you will have to complete to finish the project from beginning to end. For example, हमने कल भी ये example लिया था कि if I need to put my clothes into washing, into laundry, what I need to do? पहले मेरे को अपनी बकेट ऑफ द जो कपड़ों की बास्केट है उसको खाली करना है, उसमें से व्हाइट्स एंड ब्लैक्स को अलग करना है, देन उसके बाद देयर वन लॉट गोज इनटू द मशीन, उसके अंदर लिक्विड डालेंगे, उसको पुश करेंगे एंड स्टार्ट. दैट इज हाउ आई डू इट. अगर मैं फर्स्ट स्टेप को मिस कर देती, ब्लैक्स एंड व्हाइट्स को एक साथ डाल देती, वुड दिस वर्क? आई थिंक आई वुड हैव अ फेलियर वेर इन मेरे ब्लैक्स एंड व्हाइट्स का कलर एक दूसरे पे चढ़ जाता. दैट वुड नॉट हैव बीन. तो इफ वी हैव द प्रोसेस कि सिंगल एक एक स्टेप जो मुझको करना है, अगर मैं वो लिख दूंगी, तो इट विल हेल्प मी टू डू थिंग्स nicely, right? Organize the project by priority and sequence. Lay out the project in front of you on paper or on a computer so that you can see every step and task. Then go to work on one task at a time. You will be amazed at how much you get done in this way. As you work steadily through your list, you will develop a sense of productivity, develop a sense of positive forward momentum that enables you to overcome procrastination. This feeling of progress gives you more energy and keeps you going throughout the day. Mhm. One of the most important rules of personal effectiveness is the 10 by 90 rule. This rule says that the first 10% of time that you spend planning and organizing your work before you begin will save you as much as 90% of the time in getting the job done once you get started. You only have to try this rule once to prove it to yourself. Can we do this right now? Do we all have some kind of project that we need to do? कोई एक काम ऐसा होगा पेंडिंग जो हमारे को करना है. व्हाट इज इट फॉर यू, मधुलिका?
To make video presence on LinkedIn and Insta.
Okay. So what does it take for you to do it? What are the steps that you need to do?
For that, I think I need, first of all, the content.
And
to then after that video shoot it and then edit it and then post it.
that's it?
I think yeah, I mean editing it involves like to find out the thumbnail and all that steps are also there.
लिख लो, ये भी बनाने तो पड़ेंगे ना. विद्या रानी, जब तक आप भी अपनी लिस्ट तैयार कर लो, then I'll hear to your list as well, and we will see if there is any step that is missing that we can help each other with. जब तक Madhulika is making her list, let's go to Vidya Rani. Vidya Rani, what is the thing that you are getting ready for? What is that one project that you are looking forward to finish?
Yes, I want to build a website of my husband's business. Yeah. So for that, I'll have to create the artworks on Canva, and I will also have to Google on the uh, uh, top 10 steel fabrication industries and check their website as to how the steel fabrication website should look like. That research I need to do, and what all do I need to add to the website to create one for my husband's business. And also I'll have to write a content as to what kind of services that we provide in steel fabrication, uh, what we are specialized in, and yeah, yeah, because I have already had done a research on uh, the steel fabrication websites, and I could see that there is not much to be added in that website. Because if I have to create any other website, then it takes a lot of things that needs to be added. But when it comes to steel fabrication website, that doesn't require much of the content or the artworks. So it is pretty easy for me to create, is what I'm feeling.
What is it
Just
that was stopping you so far?
Yeah, I have actually not given my focus and the attention to it. I got carried away with the thing is no, I get overwhelmed with things, uh, which no stops me or no um, hinder me from taking the action, is what I have realized. So now what I have decided is before the year began, I have created the vision board and have a plan in place. So accordingly, I'll be proceeding.
Wow, wonderful. So now what we are going to do is, you are going to, first step would be Google 10 best brands of the seal fabrication. उनका क्या क्या अच्छा लग रहा है उसको आप अपने पास सेव करोगे, ठीक है? Then second step is वो hosting and this all these things that you have to buy.
वो मैंने ले लिया है ऑलरेडी करिश्मा।
हाँ, ठीक है, वो हो गया। उसके बाद यू विल मेक
मैंने
आपका
खरीद लिया है।
कैनवा पे एक दिन आप बैठोगे, एक दिन रिसर्च करोगे, एक दिन आप लगाओगे सिर्फ कैनवा पे सारे क्रिएटिव्स बनाने में, एक दिन आप यूज करोगे सारे जो आपने अपने वेबसाइट पे लिखना है, पुट इट इन द वर्ड, ठीक है? जो जब आप क्या होगा जब आप अपना क्रिएट कर रहे होगे वेबसाइट, जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट तो होगा कि एक एक जगह
टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा, टाइम कंज्यूम नहीं होगा।
Exactly. उस टाइम पे आपको दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा कि बस कॉपी करना है, पेस्ट करना है। तो एवरी डे टेक वन टास्क, डू इट, एंड एट लास्ट you are done with it. So
Now when I'm discussing it with you, Karishma, I'm feeling it's pretty easy. I had been prolonging it since long, I can say. Almost मैं बोलूँ ना, मैंने जुलाई के बाद जुलाई के बाद के जितने भी महीने थे ना, मैंने ऐसे ही गवा दिए थे। By getting more than
before
things.
the end of January, we have your website coming out, your husband's website coming out, and we are all going to view it. Okay?
Sure, Karishma, I will make it.
You are going to share with me personally the steps that you are going to take to make this website every single day. I will stay accountable to you for the things that you have done or not.
Wow, thank you so much.
Let's hear Madhulika now.
Let's make it happen together. Thank you so much.
Chalo, let's hear Madhulika.
Yeah, Karishma. So that's what my tasks to be done is content making. I mean, I have to be more visible. In terms of videos and so for that, I need a content. I mean, I got that. I have jotted down it that this is what I resonates with. And after that, I have to shoot it. I don't know why I'm not doing it. and then edit it, and then find out a thumbnail, and then post it.
So, सबसे पहले तो what is it? Deep down, सच्चे दिल से बताओ कि what is it that stops you?
Perfection.
Do you know, if you do not laugh at your first video after making your 10th video, that means you have started off very late.
Right.
Let's do it, ना? मेरे हिसाब से सबसे पहले होगा तैयार हो जाऊं, कपड़े अच्छे पहने हो, मेकअप अच्छा सा किया हो, so that I am actually ready mentally कि हाँ मैं दिख अच्छी रही हूं, मैं वीडियो पे आ सकती, ठीक है? उसके बाद what I will do is I will script what am I going to read, what am I going to say. Then I'm going to read that script 3-4 times. ठीक है? After doing that, I will switch on the video, say it, and switch off the video. इतना छोटा छोटा अगर आप डालोगे ना, then you will say अच्छा अच्छा. उसके बाद I will collect all the, in fact before that only I can collect all the छोटे छोटे जो मेरे को clips डालने हैं editing के time पे. I can make a thumbnail of what I have decided to make the video on. है ना? वो सब मेरे पास एक साथ पड़े होंगे तो एडिटिंग में टाइम कम लगेगा. जब मेरा रिकॉर्ड हो गया, रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दी, आई विल गो ऑन द एडिटर, पुट ऑल दोस जो मैंने इकट्ठे करके रखे हैं, ठीक है? आई विल पोस्ट इट वेयर एवर, इंस्टाग्राम पे वहां डालूंगी. उसके नीचे उसका कैप्शन लिखूंगी. कैप्शन ऑलरेडी लिख के रखा हुआ है जो इन एडवांस, बिफोर इवन मेकिंग द वीडियो. ठीक है? उसके बाद उसके अंदर एडिटेड वीडियो भी डाल दी, कैप्शन डाल दिया, और उसके बाद उसको कर दिया डन. तो मेरा काम खत्म हो जाएगा.
Right.
When can we do that?
I'll start from tomorrow itself because I have my content ready. So I just need to, the first step is, see, I was thinking the first step is to shoot the video, but no, the first step is to practice that content a number of times. So I'll start doing that.
So आज आप, what you can do is, you can make the thumbnail, you can collect all the pictures that you want to put in the at the time of editing, and you can have the script ready and you can read the script. कल सुबह नहाओगे, मेकअप करोगे, just do it. दिमाग नहीं लगाना है उसमें, मेरे को पता है. करने से पहले 2 बार फिर से स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लो and just speak from your heart.
Right.
And we are having a reel posted by Madhulika. She's going to share it in the group and we will give her likes, and she will go viral with the first reel, first or whatever reel. ठीक है? That is our promise to you, Madhulika.
Thank you.
Do the work and you will be supported.
Perfect.
When you plan each day in advance, you find it much easier to get going and keep going. The work goes faster and smoother than ever before. You feel more powerful and competent. You get more done faster than you thought possible. Eventually, you become unstoppable. Are you ready to become unstoppable? Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, this book has also summarized जो हमने आज chapter 2 में पढ़ा है, Eat That Frog. That is, begin today to plan every day, week, and month in advance. Take a notepad or a sheet of paper, or use your PDA or BlackBerry, or make a list of everything you have to do in next 24 hours. Add to it as new items come up. Make a list of all the projects, the big multitask jobs that are important for your future. And number 2, lay out each of your major goals, projects, or tasks by priority. What is the most important and the sequence, what has to be done first, what comes second, and so forth. Start with the end in the mind and work backward. Think on paper, always work from the list. You will be amazed at how much more productive you become and how much easier it is to eat that frog. As they say, people fail, systems never fail. So putting it down on a piece of paper is creating a system for yourself. और ज्यादा सिस्टम क्रिएट करना है ना तो अलार्म भी लगा लो, इतने बजे टंग. All right, that brings us to the end of today's session. Tomorrow we will be understanding what does applying the rule 80-20 means. And I think that also is going to help us. So the author, Brian Tracy, has shared 21 ways of, dealing with procrastination. So uske andar, there will be some ways that you can use in certain areas. There will be some ways that you can use in certain other areas. So it is always good कि हमारे को सारे 21 ways पता हो, so that जब हमारे को जोन सा ज्यादा आसान लगे वो हम apply करें और use करें in our lives. But yes, this one has helped me abundantly. And let me tell you, my daughter got this planner for me. ये उसे मिनीसू से खरीदा. This is a weekly planner. And she gifted this to me while she was traveling. वो वहां हैदराबाद से वापस घर को आ रही थी and she saw Miniso and she saw this planner and she was like, मम्मी plan बहुत करती है, let me gift it to her. And this has helped me so beautifully because every week मेरे को पता है कि यार मेरे को मंडे को ये, ट्यूसडे को ये, and then कभी one-on-one जो मेरे साथ बुक करते हैं, I know this is the time, I put it here as well. तो वो लिस्ट बड़ी होती जाती है, बट इफ आई एम फेलिंग टू डू समथिंग, वन-on-one होना ही होना है. देयर इज नो नेगोशिएबल, नॉन नेगोशिएबल है. जो बुक रीडिंग क्लब है, दैट इज अ नॉन नेगोशिएबल, दैट हैज टू हैपन. बट देयर विल बी स्मॉल टास्क. मे बी मेरे को क्राउजल बनाना है, मे बी मेरे को रील बनानी है, दैट माइट शिफ्ट टू द नेक्स्ट डे, राइट? But this is very helpful and I think everybody must start doing it. With that, thank you so much for joining in. It was lovely having the two new people in this room and sharing my perspectives and listening to your perspectives. I would love for you to share your takeaways in the group and let's inspire others to join in and take the massive value that we are sharing here. All right?
Sure. Thank you so much, Karishma. Like आप जब बोल रहे हो ना कि जिस तरह बुक रीड करके आप बता रहे हो कि this is how you can achieve accomplish your project or complete your project. कितना लग रहा है, कितना आसान था, किया क्यों नहीं?
Let's do it. अभी भी क्या सोचना है? Now we have 1 week. 1 week में विद्या रानी की वो done है. There are only 6-7 steps that she needs to do. She can do it easily, right? Let's bring our focus to the areas that we are not doing things. So that they get accomplished. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है हमारे को burden down करती रहती है कि मैं ये नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं ये नहीं कर रही हूँ. उसकी वजह से और चीजें भी हमारी डिले हो जाती हैं. Let's get the frog. Let's eat the frog first.
Yeah.
I'm so happy that we have chosen this book in the beginning of the year because it is going to, build the foundation of the entire year. अभी सीख लिया तो पूरा साल it will build up, right?
Yeah, true. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, darling. All right, take care. Bye-bye. God bless you all and see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.